Birdie, fly. Fly, birdie. Birdie, fly. Thank you. Oh my gosh, where did you go? My bird is having some issues with his tameness.
You want to see my favorite bird?
No, they don't want to see your fine, go get your favorite bird,
Yeah,
Miranda.
I need my socks.
Go. No, my other bird is in there. But they're kind of freaking each other out at the moment. Go ahead. She's gonna get her favorite bird, which I don't really understand. This is my favorite bird. The evil Quaker parakeet.
He's not evil. You'll see him on my hand.
She's evil.
No, I'm not.
She's awful. This is weird for her. She's never like this. Alright, put her back in there. I don't want her to attack my birds.
Oh, come on. Really, Otis?
Put her away.
How?
Get her off your shoulder and put her away. Okay, well when my birds get over their fright, then I'll post a video of their tricks. Now I'm going to stop recording if I can find the button. Where's the button?